Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia and today I will be attempting to do an American flag hairstyle out of braids. I attempted this hairstyle a few years back. The hairstyle went well, but this time I just want to improve some things about it, and I'm excited to see what we get this time. So please stay tuned. Okay, so the colors that we have is blue, white, and red. Instead of having the patch of hair on the side, like I tried to create like a square look where it looks like the flag, the blue square, but this time I'm just going to do more of just the pattern. So I'm thinking maybe the bangs here, I'm going to do some bangs that are just going to be blue. I'm going to have them come all the way to the front and go over to the side and like bleed into the rest of the hair. So probably about all of this would be blue, I'm thinking. So the best time to do something like this is when what I call it transition braiding. I kind of made it up. It's where I wash my hair ahead of time before I'm about to take down my braids, and then I just take down one braid at a time or a couple at a time. That way I save time by not having to part. I just take one down and I replace it with a new one. So that's my transition braiding. That's what I do. So these are going to be red. Braid this one. All of these are red. Braid all that down. And then the next section, because we need to make sure the whole column is that color. So that way when it hangs like it's the flag. This section is going to be white. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair exactly how I want it to look. This here is going to be blue. This is going to be all the blue, and it's going to be bangs. Okay, so we're just going to start braiding, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid all of the red until I'm done. So I won't have any confusion or trying to find places to put different colors. I'm going to just do each color at a time. So the red I'm going to do first, each section for red, and then I'm going to move on to the white and do blue last. Alright, so one section is already done. Looking good. And then I'll just move on to this section. Okay, so I was gonna wear a scarf to work and like find some kind of way to pin up the red, but then I'm like, hey, this transition is actually looking clean. I like it. It looks cute. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just keeping this look for tomorrow. I'm gonna just not even cover it up. I'm gonna it just looks like a new hairstyle, and it's kind of dope. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this transition tomorrow. I have to wear this. Look at this. This is cool. Oh, I'm definitely wearing this. I'm definitely wearing this transition hairstyle until I finish tomorrow. Dude, so cool. So cool. Yeah, definitely wearing it. Definitely. Okay, so all I have left is the blue bangs. I'm done with all the red, and I'm currently working on my last white section. This is the last section, and then I'm done. I just finished the white. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I have these small little stars that these little beads I'll be incorporating in the glue. I have 50 of them for the 50 states. Here's my blue. Let's color. I'm so excited. Okay. So, and then put a rubber band where I want it to go. I want the star bead to go. Now I'm gonna put the bead on. See if I can get it to lock up there. Ooh, I think I may have made it a little too thick. Ugh. No, not too bad. That is 5 stars down. And 45 more to go. Alright guys, so I am really liking it. It's cute, so don't be surprised if I go out again and I come back with this dipped and done. I'm very, very excited. Alright, so this is the next day. I actually love it. I love it. I can't believe it came out so nice. So nice. It looks like a flag's been draped over my head. The idea just came out so good. Just came out so well. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If you like this hairstyle and want to see more like it, please like this video. Please share and subscribe. See you later. Bye.